going to start off with our hyper test. We're going to start off with our hyper tough ratchet. It was voted #1 to fail by you guys. We've already got it set up. We've got our bar. It's sitting at 125 foot-pounds right now. We kind of had a miss site here. We're not going to be able to test 200 foot-pounds because it will hit the table, but we can start out at 240. So every ratchet's going to start out at 240, and we're going to try that right now. So this is 240 foot-pounds. So we're at 280 foot-pounds. $320 foot-pounds. All right, we're at 360 foot-pounds. All right, we're at 400 foot-pounds. 440 foot-pounds. All righty, we got it reset, but we're at 480 foot-pounds. Bending a little. All righty, we're at 520 foot-pounds.
Got it.
Woo! Now we're going to continue our test with this heart ratchet from Walmart. So that's 125 foot-pounds, and now we're going to go to 240. All right, so 200 foot-pounds. 280 foot-pounds. 320 foot-pounds. 360 foot-pounds. All right, 400 foot-pounds. 440 foot-pounds. 480 foot-pounds. All right, 520 foot-pounds. All right, we're 560 foot-pounds, so it has beaten the hyper tough. All right, we're at 600 foot-pounds.
What is
Oh, look at that. It blew up. It blew the button out of it. Hey, wear safety glasses. That's a good idea. All right, we're on to the Carlisle brand from Napa. 240 foot-pounds. All right, we're 280 foot-pounds. All right, we're 320 foot-pounds. All right, 360 foot-pounds. All right, we're 400 foot-pounds. All right, 440 foot-pounds. All right, we're at 480 foot-pounds.
Oh my gosh.
Something's going on in there. It actually bent down clear till it touched the tire. So we're gonna pull that off and see what it did. So we've got us another custom bent, hard to reach spaces ratchet. So technically, Carlisle failed before both the Heart and the Hyper Tough. The teeth are kind of crunchy too. Kind of interesting. So Should we bend it till it breaks, or should we leave it as is? What do you guys think? All right, so we put it back on here and we're gonna break it. See what it takes. Alrighty, that is 520 foot-pounds right there. Extra custom.